In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update OneDrive. Keeping OneDrive current gives you the latest features, better reliability, and important security fixes. So let's walk through it together from your Windows desktop. Start by looking at the lower right corner of your taskbar near the clock. That's the system tray, and you should see the OneDrive cloud icon there. If you don't see it immediately, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you spot the cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. In the panel that appears, look for the gear icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This opens the main OneDrive settings window. Inside this window, click the Settings or About section where OneDrive shows details about your app. Here, you'll see the version number currently installed on your computer. This number is important because it tells you exactly what build you're running. Go ahead and click that version number. It's a handy shortcut that opens your web browser to Microsoft's official OneDrive site with the release notes and builds. When the site appears, scroll through the page to find the latest available version for Windows. Compare the number you saw in your OneDrive settings with the newest version listed on the page. If the website shows a newer version than the one on your device, it's time to update. Download the latest version from that page. Be sure you choose the Windows installer that matches your device. The download should only take a moment on most connections. When it finishes, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, confirm to continue. The setup will guide you through the process, and in most cases, it will simply replace your older OneDrive version without changing your files or your sync settings. If OneDrive needs to close during installation, that's normal, and it will reopen when it's done. After installation completes, OneDrive will start up again and reconnect to your account. Give it a moment to check your files and resume syncing. To confirm everything worked, click the OneDrive cloud in the taskbar again, open the gear menu, go back into settings, and look at the version. It should now match the latest version shown on Microsoft's site. That's all there is to it. A couple of quick tips: make sure you're connected to a reliable network while downloading, and if you're on a work or school device, updates might be managed by your organization, so you may need admin permission. With that, your OneDrive is up to date and ready to go.